I mean, now it's kind of fucked up at this point.
My mom's gonna murder me. What up? What up? All right, I'm about to try to get some of this done. This thing right here, outside of my tie rod, it's all stripped. Might replace it with this new tie rod that I literally just happen to have. But my other option literally might just be to Dremel this bit down right here. I think I'm just gonna be replacing this tie rod. These threads are pretty murdered. Trying to save it by just like skipping the threads basically. Molly, come on now. And I think this is gonna give me a bit of trouble. Molly. And now John's here into the GT3. Just kind of wild. All right, so we got an 05 GT3 whose license plate happens to be 05 GT3.
Most people are like, where does this go? And I'm like, dude, it's not that hard. You see the holes in there? Yeah, you put the buckles in there.
I've always done fuck shit down the street. My neighbors have never, whoa.
It's extremely stable.
That was nice.
I know.
Holy shit.
Yeah, where you turn.
Well, okay, a part of it is the buckets make it feel very nice. But like that thing is on rails. I need buckets in the E28 for sure.
Buckets in the E28?
Yeah, dude, the thing handles too well for me to have those comfort seats. So I've never been in a 997 GT3. This is 996?
996.
996. See, I was right. Jaden said 997. I knew
You said 997?
Well, I know.
What's wrong with you?
Well, because I thought about it and then I looked at the gauge cluster and I was like, that's the same as my 996.
You can also tell by the wing.
Yeah, and the lights and like everything else about the car.
Yeah, like the whole car.
Well, because I said it and then I was like, dude, this is not a 997.
No.
This thing literally fucks. Genuinely fucks. This thing's mean. Perfect car.
PC.
What?
What's the pin on the PC?
You could have just texted me that, man. You really
Oh my god,
just
I'm
left the
back!
dogs out, man.
Vizu has yet to work on his car
Trying to be productive,
all day. He hasn't done shit.
Okay, I do.
He hasn't done shit. You can't back it up. Here, I'll actually show you what he did today.
I already did this earlier.
Well, I'm showing again. So he just did this. This piece of shit. Look at that. I just broke it for him. Look, he's gonna try opening it. And it's gonna be
Why
locked.
would you lock your fucking car? Why
Because
would you lock your car?
we're in the ghetto.
Why would you lock your car?
We got people like you roaming around.
People like Yato.
Yeah. He just goes in and out of cars, stealing their money, betting it on gambling, and hoping he makes
As if it doesn't even matter.
I
It doesn't
know.
matter, bro. It's not my money.
I found it.
You found it. Now let's see if you
kinda
can
sad.
get work done. Yes. Alright, second sip. That's unproductive.
Waste of time. Waste of
I
time.
know. This guy just wastes time.
Fucking hate you.
Let's get
sit in the
up
grass
close
for
and
this one.
personal with this guy, shall
Okay, what's up, guys? So I got this new tie rod tool. You remember your tie rods? You remember how you had to get that wrench and fit it over the hose? Pain in the ass, right?
No, I just fucking put a wrench under here and kicked it like that.
Okay, like I get that you can't. I just want to show off this tool, you know, okay?
Yeah,
Like,
show 'em the tool.
if you have the tool, you could just like put your normal little wrench in there, and then, you know, you take your.
Oh fuck, that's badass.
See? Oh my god, thanks, dude. That's the reaction I was hoping for. I was hoping you'd see the little contraption.
Wait. Who makes that?
AutoZone? I don't know.
Alright. Whoever made this in China, please sponsor us. What are you doing over here?
What's up? You know, just putting these little clamps on.
I thought the jack fell on you.
Imagine you come over, I'm just dead.
Yeah. Man, that would
I'm
suck.
trying to decide if I put any grease behind this, but I don't think I need to. There's already packed grease in there.
Okay.
I think I just gotta slide this little dude over. Oh, wait. I gotta slide these dudes over. So boot comes off, go like that. Haha! Haha!
Second thing he has done all day, ladies and gentlemen.
Did I just put it on the wrong?
On to the next chapter.
I'm pretty sure this is just like too small. I got two of that size when I should have gotten.
It's raining.
Jesus Christ, what was that?
Oh, bug. Vizu bug behind you. Oh, he almost ran up in your hair, bro.
I don't have the right clamps. I went and bought the right clamps, and I got two of this size one. And I need one of this size and one of the inside size. Yeah, it doesn't focus because it's a fucking Canon.
I mean,
Cannons are usually good.
Nope.
It's just this one sucks.
Cannons are ass now.
Why?
Now hate cannons. Shit.
That's real.
I don't have the fucking clamps. What do I do? What do I do in this
You
situation?
make your own with zip ties.
I honestly was thinking about just using a fucking zip tie.
Dude, it's the strap.
It's the same thing.
I know. You just tighten that motherfucker all the way.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. One singular zip tie, or is that two?
I think it's a couple.
A couple.
Metal zip
better.
tying this. Why would I do that? Then
Why
I just
would you
can't
put
do
it in there?
I just want to make sure that, like, it'll look okay, because it'll go like that.
It will.
Whenever I hydrate myself.
Dude, that's supposed to go in the recycling bin.
the recycling.
Oh, okay, good. So how's it going down there?
Oh, it's actually going well. Now that I have this whole little zip tie idea going on, I feel more confident, more happy, more in control of my fate.
Hopefully your car likes it.
I'm gonna be honest,
Yeah.
kinda doubting that one.
So what you're trying to say to your viewers is you really hate this car, but you have to build it so you can get rid of it.
I would say that's the process here, yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, are these both the wrong size? Did I not specify enough? Oh my god, they're both the wrong size.
Another day, nothing done.
It's another knee slapper right there, that's for sure.
You could force it maybe with like pliers or something, but either way,
I might as well just
use
these
the zip
metal
tie.
ties.
Yeah.
All right. Once again, another day has gone by and we have gotten ourselves some vinyl flooring. I'm letting this sit out in the sun to hopefully kind of flatten out. But this is the template that we're gonna have. So right now I'm gonna have to go and buy some kind of plywood to make an actual floor of this thing. But this whole bit will all be covered in plywood where then I can mount my compressor as well as my air tank. I'm actually gonna have 2 compressors. So that's pretty fire. So today I'm going to spend some more time on that, get the plywood, get all of that sorted out, and then I'm going to take some time, order the rest of the stuff I need for my MTech kit and get that started, as well as finish putting in these struts. And I also need to figure out what exactly I'm doing with this little deal, because these rubber cups that the springs usually sit in don't fit. Also, check out this guitar my dad got me. It's blue. It's not the same blue, but it's a blue guitar, and I think that's sick. Oh, and I also got my Valvetronic to do. God, the things just line up out here, guys. The things just line up. All right, so I'm going to Home Depot right now. I'm at Home Depot right now. Bro, that shit used to scare the fuck out of me when I was little.
I mean, now it's kind of fucked up at this point.
That is the most ugly cut I have ever seen, but hey, she's in the trunk. That's all that freaking matters. And I want to go home. I'm gonna get some food. I want Chipotle, but that's way too expensive, so I'm actually not gonna do it. Which is that's a new one for me. I usually just go spend the money anyways. I need to figure out that like free Chipotle hack. I've seen it on TikTok before. Just want to make it fit. We gotta make it fit. I think we'll be golden. Whew. Yeah, hopefully that stays okay. I have to do some sweeping. I don't think I can just lay a piece of wood in there. I can try though. Alright. How is it staying up? Alright, so it doesn't get far enough in the back, so we could trim those back bits in. Okay. Now it goes further. Just the right way.
Right here, maybe a little bit.
Oh, wait. Oh. No, you were right.
See that it's just
Yeah, you were right. 5th time's a charm, right?
hopefully.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
This took. God. Oh, me too. Oh, that wasn't too bad. All right. 6th time's a charm.
7th time is the actual charm.
I don't know, man. Thanks for being so invested in this.
That actually looks like the money spot.
I guess I could also now use this and make a perfect one.
If you want, because that probably was
Or the vinyl. I could just make the vinyl stretch out enough. Because really all it is like I need to cut like that. Because if all that's covered, I don't mind leaving this and leaving this patch. The rest of it would look great. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Shut up. I think I'm hearing alright. That looks good. Let me see this. I want your reaction to this. You motherfucker! Nice to see you, dude. How's the car? How's this?
It's so loud. It's so loud.
First friend of mine to ask if he could terrorize the neighbors before he starts.
I'm like, I know how it is. I got neighbors.
Oh no. Oh no. My mom's gonna murder me. Go right.
Right?
Yeah.
Terrorize these neighbors now?
Yeah, let's see how these neighbors do. Holy shit, dude. That's so gnarly. Oh my god.
It's very loud.
Bro is living a dream.
Someone's.
It's pretty sweet. Someone's.
Mine. But it's actually like when you're cruising, you're just like chilling.
Yeah, you can chill, you know, a cop rolls by.
Yeah, it's like, hey, howdy officer, how you doing?
Howdy, yeah, you turn right. Oh my god, dude, the shifts. That is nice. Well, hey neighbors, we're back.
We're back.
Sorry about that one. Ian's probably losing his shit. I knew it.
Really mad, bro, and your mom got mad too.
It's
okay. And I started chirping. It sounds amazing.
Dude, he was like, my mom's gonna be
I was
Yeah, dog, that sounds.
Of course, bro, good to see you.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Jesus, dude, that is sick.
That was the craziest thing ever, bro.
That was so sick.
I literally, he did it. I was like, he was like, can I terrorize the neighbors? And I was like, you can terrorize going that way. No. I didn't know he'd do that. I didn't know he'd do that. We're back in it. Look, ready? Let's check out this. 2. That's pretty. Oh, that's pretty cool. Spray it down and lay the thing on top, or spray it on this and lay it on. Nah, spray it on the wood. Never used it. Ooh, it's like a web. That's cool. So I'm gonna let this dry overnight. And we should have like a little vinyl floor looking, trunk looking thing. Feel bad, like, you know, I'm gonna be selling this car, then somebody can go watch all these videos and see like how we. It's not bad though. We're doing a pretty profit.
Oh, I'm so sorry. What are you doing over here?
What's up?